The Earth's average surface temperature has risen by about 1 degree Celsius since the pre-industrial era, with some regions experiencing even more significant increases due to localized factors such as urban heat islands and differing albedo effects. This warming trend emerged primarily in the late 19th century following widespread industrialization and deforestation, which increased atmospheric concentrations of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, CO2, and methane from fossil fuel combustion and deforestation activities respectively. Key turning points include the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change first reported in 1988, highlighting growing evidence of human-induced climate change, the Kyoto Protocol's adoption in 1997, mandating greenhouse gas emissions reductions for developed nations, and landmark U.S. President Barack Obama's signing of the Paris Agreement in 2015, aimed at limiting global warming to below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. Measurable impacts on societies, economies, and industries include an estimated 4.6 million deaths annually from air pollution exposure between 2013 and 2019, a projected increase of up to 7% in crop yields from major grain crops by the middle of this century under optimal climate conditions, and a significant shift towards renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. Although economic growth has generally lagged behind expected outcomes due to rising insurance premiums, healthcare costs, and lost productivity from extreme weather events exacerbated by warmer temperatures, there are also estimated savings in healthcare spending through reduced respiratory disease incidences. Additionally, climate resilience investments could generate significant job creation. Long-term effects may include more frequent heat waves, droughts, wildfires, and heavy precipitation events, accelerated sea level rise, ocean acidification, coral bleaching, and loss of coastal wetlands, and disruptions to biodiversity, leading to extinctions and altered ecosystems. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change latest report in 2021 concluded that limiting warming to below 1.5 degrees Celsius would require immediate, rapid, and large-scale reductions in greenhouse gas emissions across all sectors, including energy, land use, industry, and urban planning. By 2050, the world is projected to see at least 1/4 of its agricultural crops grown under conditions of increased water stress, approximately 1 billion more people facing water scarcity globally, an estimated loss of up to 1/4 of tropical coral reefs by 2030, substantial increases in forest fires and insect infestations, and significant economic impacts ranging from infrastructure damage, crop failures. These predictions underscore the urgency for continued international cooperation on mitigation efforts, coupled with adaptation strategies aimed at safeguarding societies and critical ecosystems against escalating global warming trends.